I bought a MacBook Pro whilst travelling in Asia, and up until now I've been transporting it in the original box, but this is beginning to bug me a little bit. So I bought a pouch, and it's not the correct pouch for a MacBook Pro, and the issue with it is there is a little bit too much movement when the MacBook Pro is inside it. So I'm going to try and use my head, not my wallet, to solve this issue. So I trimmed down the material in the box to make a little template. I glued it to the foam that came inside the pouch, and this gives me the perfect holder for the MacBook Pro, and this fits really nicely inside the pouch, and the MacBook Pro fits perfectly inside that, so that fixes that problem. I had an additional piece of foam that I used to add extra protection, and on the front of the pouch there was a pocket, so I decided to put it in there, which means I don't have to move it all the time. So one thing I noticed was it was a little bit difficult to get the MacBook Pro out of the plastic packaging, so I made a cutout to make this easier. So here is my customized MacBook Pro pouch using my head and not my wallet.